In this video, I'll show you how you can record an Instagram story without holding your screen. So all you need to do for this is go onto the Instagram app, and this works on Android and iOS as well, by the way. So what you need to do basically is scroll through these different options right there. So you can see live, you can see create, normal, boomerang, layout, super zoom, and then right there you'll find hands-free. So all you need to do is click on hands-free, and once you do that, you can actually release the screen and you don't have to hold that. So that's pretty much how you can do this. So if you appreciate this simple and quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.